I want y'all to please excuse the bonnet, okay? I just wanted to come on here and say that if you have a disability and you're in college and your evaluation is up or your paperwork is sealed or whatever, go to either your college school of education or local college's school of education to their psych department and see if they have low cost or free comprehensive evaluations done by their psych department because they're students. It's like, going to dental school and getting dental work. See if they have a program where they can do it for low cost or free. This is something I tell other people in my school, like when they're like, oh, my evaluation's up, I've had it more than 3 years, which is kind of crazy. If you had the same, differing abilities all your life, you have to prove it every 3 years. It's crazy. But try that. Don't go without if you don't have to. Okay. Stay blessed.